Okay, so I'll be showing you how to create your Figma account using your Gmail or any other email address that you use. So from Google, you can search for Figma. Yeah. Then go to figma.com and then you come to the sign up button here and you click on sign up. You have two options. You can continue with Google, that is if you already have your Gmail signed in on your browser, or you input your email address if you don't have a Google account or if you just want to sign up directly. So I'll be signing up directly using my Google account. And then I'll be creating my password. And click on create account. Oh, okay, yeah, that's an error at gmail.com. Yes. So for me, I'd like to save my password. So while it's creating, then the name you put here will be the name that will be showing on your Figma account, like your display name. So for me, I wanted to show my display name as this. My name is Folajomi below. So anytime I'm on Figma, it shows Folajomi. What kind of work do? I do design. And yes, you can decide to agree for Figma to mail you. So I'm agreeing to this, and then you create my account. So yeah, it's going to ask you a question about things you would be doing, what you're open to do with Figma. So I'm open to do UI design with Figma, to view designs, for presentation, for brand designing, for wireframing. You can select everything, for illustration, for copywriting, or something else. And then I create my account. Then it asks me to verify my mail. So now I have to go to my mail, my Gmail. So yes, the mail, yeah. So you verify your email address. And voila. So yeah, your email is verified, and yeah, you have your Figma account created. And I can do this later. This is if you want to register your team. Start for free. I follow myself. So yeah, this is how to create a Figma account.